Hi, my dear pupils. I am Teacher Maricar, your teacher for today in Mathematics Quarter 1, Week 4. In today's lesson, our topic are multiplies mentally 2-digit by 1 to 2-digit numbers with product up to 200 and explain the strategies used. Solve routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication of whole numbers, including money, using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. Now, get ready your pen and paper because it's drill time. In 10 seconds, I want you to multiply mentally the numbers I will give you. Let us begin. 64 times 10. The time starts now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 0.
Time's up. 64 times 10 is how many? We have 640. Your answers is next. We have 86 times 2. The time starts now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 0.
Time's up. The answer in 86 times 2 is... Okay, 172.
Good job!
Okay, good job. 15 times 6, what should be the answer?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 0.
Okay, time's up. What should be the answer in 15 times 6? 15 times 6. First, you will need to multiply 6 times 5 is equals to 30, carry 3. 6 times 1 is equals to 6 plus 3 is 9. So the answer is 90. Your answer is... Next, 37 times 10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 0.
Time's up. The answer in 37 times 10. First, you will bring down the 0. And 1 times 37 is 37. So the answer is 370.
Good job!
Okay. Next, 54 times 10. Oh, there's a 0 here.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 0.
Time's up. The answer is 540. Okay, your answer is 500. In solving problems, we have the routine problems and the non-routine problems. To solve routine problems involving multiplication of whole numbers, including money, using appropriate strategies and tools, follow these 4 steps. First, understand. What are the questions in understand? what is asked in the problem, and what are given facts. Second, plan. What is in the plan? What is the operation to be used? And what is the number sentence? That is the plan. The third step is to solve. Use the operation to solve. If your operation is multiplication, then use multiplication to solve the problem. And the fourth one is check and look back. Write the correct answer or divide to know if your answers are correct. However, let us have the first example. There are 17 pencils in every pencil holder. How many pencils are there in 3 pencil holder? To solve this problem, we need to undergo the 4-step in solving problem. First, understand. What is asked and what are given? What is asked in the problem? Okay, how many pencils are there in 3 pencil holder? That is the question in the problem. Now, what are given? The given are the 17 pencils and 3 pencil holder. That is the understand or the first step. Let us proceed to the second step, plan. What operation will we use? And write the number sentence. Okay, the operation. What is the operation will be used? Multiplication. Very good. And write the number sentence. We have 17 times 3 equals n. Then proceed to our third step, solve. But before we proceed in solving problem, let us try to compute mentally. Let us proceed. Mental computation is very useful in your everyday living. Being able to compute mentally can save your time. It is easy to multiply a number if one factor has a single digit and regrouping is not involved in the process. You can easily find the product for as long as you know the basic multiplication rules. So, meaning, dapat alam mo ang multiplication table. Mahihirapan ka kapag hindi mo siya alam. In multiplying mentally, we have 2 ways. The first is the mental computation. How will we do that? Let us follow the 3 steps. First step, mentally multiply the ones. The ones here in 17 is the 7. 7 times 3 equals 21. Second step, mentally multiply the tens by ones. So, the tens here is 10. Kasi yung 7 nandun na sa ones na na-multiply mo kanina. So, 10 times 3 equals 30. Now, let us proceed to the step 3. Mentally add the partial product. Ipa-plus mo yung unang product at pangalawang product mo. So, 21 plus 30 is equals to 51. Let us proceed to the second way of multiplying mentally by using distributive property. Let us also follow the 3 steps. First, distribute the multiplicand. We have 7 times 3 or the 7 coming from the 17 or the ones place and the multiplier. Step 2. Mentally multiply the tens by ones. That is 10 times 3. 10 is coming from the 17 or the tens place and the multiplier. And the operation, we have addition. Now, let us multiply 7 times 3 and 10 times 3. What is the answer? Okay, correct. 7 times 3 is 21 plus 10 times 3 is equals to 30. The third step, mentally add the partial product. What should be the partial product? Here are the partial product. 21 plus 30 is equals to 51. And there you have it. We have the answer in 7 times 3 is equals to 51. Now, we have the answer in third step in solving problem. We have 17 times 3 is equals to 51 pencils. Now, let us proceed to the last step in solving problem. Is your answers correct? Let us check and look back. But how will you do that? Simple. Make a division. 51 divided by 3 is equals to 17. Or 51 divided by 17 is equals to 3. If your answers are the same in multiplicand and the multiplier on the given numbers, you are correct. Let us proceed on the non-routine problems. Non-routine problems can be solved without using a standard procedure. So meaning, hindi mo na kailangan isa-isahin yung step in problem solving. They can be solved by drawing a picture, using a number line, acting out, making a table, and other techniques. Nasa sayo kung paano mo kukunin yung sagot. Let us try the non-routine problem. There are 30 animals in a farm. Some are cows and some are ducks. If there are 100 legs in all, how many ducks and cows are there in the farm? These non-routine problems develop your reasoning power. Different techniques will be acceptable in terms of solving non-routine problems. So meaning, it's your choice on how you will find the correct answer. There are 100 legs given in the problem, and there are only 30 animals. The questions, how many ducks and how many cows in each in the farm? In my own, I use pictures to know the answer. I put 20 cows with 80 legs in all and 10 ducks with 20 legs in all, equivalent to 10 ducks. So in these features, I found out immediately the correct answer. When we count the legs in each of the animals, it is totally 100 legs. 20 cows and 10 ducks is equals to 30 animals as stated in the problem. How about you? What strategy do you use? Now, let's check what you learned. There are 45 peso coins in a box. What is the total value of the coins in the box? You will answer the 4 steps in problem solving. I will give you 1 minute to answer, and the time starts now. Let us answer. What is us in the problem? Okay, the total value of the coins in the box, or what is the total value of the coins in the box? It's either the two of them. Next, what are given? There are 40 and 5 peso coins. What operation will be used? The operation will be used is multiplication. Naturally, isa naman ang ating pinag-aaralan ngayong operation, multiplication. Now, write the number sentence. The number sentence is 40 multiplied by 5 is equals to n. Then, write the complete answer. 40 times 5 is equals to 200 pesos. O huwag kakalimutang maglagay ng peso sign. Once na hindi yan mailagay dyan, ay pwede pong magkamali ang inyong kasagutan. Then, tingnan natin kung tama ang iyong sagot. Check and look back. 200 divided by 5 is equals to 40. Or 200 divided by 40 is equal to 5. Maalin po ang inyong sagot doon? Kung tama ang inyong sagot, your answers are all correct. Let us proceed. A pile contains 15 books. How many books are there in 10 piles? Again, there are 4 steps in solving the problem, and I will give you 1 minute to answer, and the time starts now. Time's up. Let us answer. What is us in the problem? The number of books in 10 piles. Or, how many books are there in 10 piles? Maalin po ulit doon ang inyong sagot. Next, what are given? There are 15 books and 10 piles. Next, second step. What operation will be used? Our operation is still multiplication. And write the number sentence. O kunin mo lang po yung given fact at ilagay mo yung ating operation. You will have a number sentence, or 15 times 10 equals n. The third step, write the complete answer. So, we have 15 times 10 is equals to 150 books. Okay, the label is the books kasi books ang hinahanap. Then, let us check and look back if your answers are correct. 150 divided by 10 is equals to 15. Tama ba kayo? Or 150 divided by 15 is equals to 10. Okay. Lagyan ng tama ang inyong sagot kung tama nga ang inyong kasagutan. We have the next, your assessment. This will be your last activity. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Write your answer or write the letter in your notebook, and we will answer it afterwards. Read first the question and analyze or solve if necessary. I will give you 1 minute to answer, and the time starts. Okay, time's up. Let us answer. The membership fee of Math Club is 25 pesos. What is the total amount paid by 1,252 members? If we multiply 1,252 to 25 pesos, the answer will be letter A, 31,300. Number 2. There are 85 cans of milk in a box, sold at 13 pesos each can. What is us in the problem? What is us? A. The number of cans of milk. B. Amount of 85 cans of sardines. Or C. Amount of 85 cans of milk. The answer is letter C. Very good. Amount of 85 cans of milk. Number 3. A box contains 15 pieces of chalks. The principal bought 13 boxes. How many pieces of chalks were bought in all? Okay, when we multiply 15 times 13, the answer will be letter V, 195 pieces of chalk. Number 4. A fruit vendor ordered 7 boxes of oranges. Each box contained 15 oranges. How many oranges are there in all were ordered by the vendor? The question is, what is us in the problem? Letter A, number of fruit vendors. B, number of oranges. C, number of boxes. The answer is letter B, the number of boxes. Thank you very much. This will be our end of session. Our references, the Mathematics SLM Pivot, Mathematics Learners Materials, and other YouTube URL. Thank you very much.